Transform your external lead sources into actionable driving routes and targeted marketing by seamlessly importing them into Dealmachine. To begin, navigate to the List section on the left-hand menu of your Dealmachine dashboard, then locate and click the Import List button, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Dealmachine accepts your data in either CSV or Excel file formats. Ensure your data is well organized with clear headers. Click Upload File, then select your prepared list from your computer. This crucial step involves accurately matching your file's columns to Dealmachine's corresponding fields. Use the drop-down menus to select the correct field for each of your columns, such as property address, owner first name, or property type. Careful mapping ensures your data is correctly categorized within the system. Next, assign a clear and descriptive name to your new list for easy identification. You'll then see a preview of your imported data. Review this summary to confirm accuracy, then click Import List to finalize the process. Your external leads are now successfully integrated into Dealmachine, ready for your next marketing and driving campaigns.